Hey, Jim here with another one of Jim's favorites. Today I'm here with one of my favorite people in Grayslake, Dave Woll. Hey, Dave.
Hey, I think he has extremely bad taste in people.
Nobody's going to argue with that. But Dave's definitely working around helping promote Grayslake and all of the local businesses. And so I'm going to help promote him a little bit. And Dave, tell me about your podcast. How do we get there?
So we go to Discovering Grayslake podcast. Pretty easy to find on anything from Spotify, YouTube, Apple, wherever your favorite listening platform, I would say.
Discovering Grayslake podcast.
Discovering
so you're going
Grayslake.
to find all about all of the influencers in Grayslake.
Yes. Got to feature a lot of our favorite people and maybe businesses that need more exposure. And it's just been a great time getting to know everybody in the community.
Dave's also an amazing MC and DJ. I don't know what you call it these days, but
yes.
He helps out with a lot of the park district when we do the fishing, and he's helped bailed us out at the Chamber of Commerce quite a bit.
Yes.
So thank you, Dave. But
thank you.
How can people reach you if they want to reach you direct?
You can reach us at our phone number, which is 847-223-9653, or an easy way, discovergrayslake@gmail.com. It's pretty, I figured that out by myself.
Pretty easy. So
yes.
Another one of Jim's favorites, Dave Woll, big influencer at Grayslake.
Hey, thank you, Jim.